Hello and welcome. My name is Nathan Ray, and I'm the MBTA Senior Project Manager for the Winchester Center Station Accessibility Improvements Project. This is a recorded project construction update. This is today's agenda. We're going to be looking at a project overview, recent construction activity, upcoming construction, and project contact information. First, the project overview. This full reconstruction project includes 2 new fully accessible high-level side platforms with canopies, 3 new elevators, 2 new ramps, and 3 sets of covered stairs, new lighting, signage, and wayfinding, security cameras and other amenities, new tracks, ties, ballast, bridge plates, and communication duct banks. The total construction cost for this project is estimated at $50 million. Here are some photos of work that was completed in April and May. On the left, we have stairway construction taking place at Laraway Road. The middle photo shows the hoisting of a manhole onto the station platform at the Waterfield lot. And the right photo includes the installation of the ramp foundation at Laraway Road. These photos show work that was completed in June and July of this year. The project continued foundation work throughout the station, like the photo on the left showing the future stairs at Laraway Road. The middle photo is of concrete repair work at the top of wall on the outbound side of the station. And the right photo shows the hoisting of the east headhouse elevator steel tower for the future elevator at the Aberdeen lot. As part of the Winchester Station Improvements Project, there will be continued steel, electrical, concrete, and plumbing, focusing on the Waterfield lot and then moving further south to the Aberdeen lot. Neighbors can expect continued noise from construction activity, including heavy equipment and machinery. Work will primarily take place during the day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Construction advisories will be distributed ahead of any scheduled night or weekend work, if necessary. Here's a look at what construction activities are planned for the remainder of this year. At the platform level, structural steel, plumbing, and electrical work is ongoing through January of 2024. Aberdeen and Waterfield sections have, starting in August of this year through January of 2024, the erecting of steel for the elevator headhouse and continued elevator shaft construction will take place. There's also scheduled plumbing and electrical roughing work expected, as well as concrete stair flooring. Behind Thompson Street in the Quill Rotary, continued installation of micropiles and plumbing work is expected in July through September of this year. At Laraway Road, construction ramps, platforms, and stairway, as well as utility installation, is scheduled to start in August of 2023 and continue through January of 2024. For those who are interested in learning more about the Winchester Center Station Accessibility Improvements Project or would like to receive updates on the project, you can visit www.mbta.com/Winchester Station. You can also email the project team directly at winchesterstation@mbta.com. For urgent construction-related concerns and questions, there's a construction hotline available at 781-218-9717. Thank you for taking the time to view this video and for your continued support of the Winchester Center Station Accessibility Improvements Project. We hope that you found our overview helpful.